Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15's FQ. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15's FQ can't even get through a meeting without dying on you, it's likely due to a failing battery. This can happen for various reasons, such as age or wear and tear, and if left unaddressed, it could lead to further issues, including potential damage to the internal components of your laptop. To get started with the repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement battery specifically designed for the HP 15's FQ. First, ensure you power off your laptop completely and remove the charger. Next, place the device on a soft surface, preferably a mat to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back cover of your laptop. Keep these screws safe, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Work your way around the edges, being careful not to damage any clips or internal components. After you've successfully removed the back cover, locate the battery. It will be a flat, rectangular component usually secured by additional screws or clips. Carefully disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard by gently pulling it away, ensuring you do not tug on any surrounding wires. Remove the screws holding the battery in place, applying a reasonable amount of force, but not too much, to avoid damaging the casing. Once the screws are removed, lift the battery out gently. Take your new battery and place it in the same position, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly in place. Before reattaching the back cover, it's a good idea to power on your laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If it powers up and holds a charge, you're ready to close it up. Carefully align the back cover and press down gently until you hear it click into place. Secure it with the screws, and you're done. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, try to avoid letting your battery completely drain regularly, and consider replacing your battery every few years, especially if you notice decreasing performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.